Now, Kenya is facing potential power outages, voltage drops and grid disruptions as reaches a record high of 2,316 megawatts as of February of 2025 against an available capacity of 2,300. Kenya Power Managing Director Joseph Siror is urging the immediate lifting of the moratorium on electricity generation. He emphasizes that increasing generation capacity is crucial to restoring the reserve margin, which would cushion the grid against potential power disruptions.
Kenya's installed electricity 191 megawatts with an effective capacity of 3,030 megawatts. However, the current available capacity is 2,320 megawatts, just electricity peak demand of 2,316 megawatts. This marks a 12 megawatts of 2,304 megawatts recorded in mid last month. The narrow margin between peak demand and available capacity has intensified the push on boarding new electricity generation projects.
Plus, it should have been lifted like yesterday. I think you already see the razor thin margin that we have between that is the difference between our installed capacity and the latest peak.
Demand has surged by 200 megawatts over the last 2 years, with an average monthly increase of 14.5 megawatts in the last 8 months. Joseph Siror highlights that in 2024 alone, the country recorded 7 new peak demand levels, triggering nationwide blackouts despite major stabilization and connectivity projects. To enhance grid stability, Kenya Electricity Transmission Company KETRACO has been investing in critical infrastructure of the Kimuka substation and the 33 kV double-circuit interconnector between Narok and Bomet. Additionally, over 198,535 new customers have been connected to the national months. With the rollout of Last Mile Phase 4 and 5, an additional 289,121 customers are expected. Electricity, further increasing demand on the grid. Waire Mujenga for Lunchtime News.